Hi there, guys! Today we're going to show you how to create a Windows 11 bootable USB flash drive using the official method. So without further ado, let's get started. Go to the official website of Microsoft. The link to this particular page will be in the video description. Once you're here, go to the Create Windows 11 Installation Media section and click on the Download Now button underneath, which will download the Windows Media Creation tool. Now go to the download location and double-click on the tool, which will ask you for your permission to run, so click Yes. This will launch the Windows 11 setup window. You'll be presented with the Microsoft terms and conditions. Just click the Accept button to continue, which will bring you to the next step where you can choose your preferred language and edition of your Windows 11. As you can see, by default, it is unselectable. So uncheck this option called Use the recommended options for this PC, which allows you to choose your preferred choices manually. Go ahead and choose your preferred language for Windows 11. As for the edition, there isn't much you can do here. Don't worry, the basic Windows 11 ISO contains all the editions you will ever need, and it can be selected during the installation or when you enter a particular license key assigned to the specific edition of Windows 11. Now plug in your USB flash drive to the computer and hit Next, which will ask you to choose a media to proceed further. So choose the option USB flash drive from here and hit Next. Now choose the flash drive that we just plugged in. Make sure that it is the correct one to avoid any accidental data loss. And if you want, you can make a backup of anything important in that flash drive, because once we hit the Next button, Windows will wipe out everything in it. I hope you understand. Now hit the Next button for one last time and it will start downloading the Windows 11 OS straight from Microsoft. It may take a while if you have a slow internet connection, or it can be done within a minute. Be patient and let it finish the download. Once the downloading has finished, it will start verifying the downloaded files, and finally, it will start transferring the data to your USB flash drive, ultimately making it into a Windows 11 bootable USB flash drive. So let's wait for a bit more. And it has completed the process. Now you can click the Finish button and safely eject your drive. And there you go, you have just created a Windows 11 bootable USB flash drive, which can be plugged into any supported PC or laptop and perform the Windows 11 installation as you please. If you want assistance, please consider watching our dedicated step-by-step guide on how to install Windows 11 from a USB flash drive. The link will be in the video description. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss more useful content like this. See you in the next one.